Hello everyone, welcome to Tinkle. In this video, we will discuss about gears. What is a gear? A gear is nothing but a wheel which has teeth around it. For example, here is a wheel which is a circular object which can roll. The gear is different from wheel only in that it has teeth around it. It can be of various sizes, it can be big or small. Now, let us see how these work. To see the working of the gears, let's go to the fun area. Right, so now I have this larger gear here and this smaller gear. I'll use these two bits as stands for them. I'll put this here and the larger gear on this. Now I'll bring them closer and interlock their teeth. Right, so these are called the teeth of the gear. Now the teeth are interlocked. Now observe what happens when I push the smaller gear. Observe the larger gear. So as you can see, when I am turning this smaller one, the larger one is also moving. But in what direction? For example, if I am moving this in one direction, the larger gear moves in the opposite direction. And if I move the larger gear in, say, clockwise direction, the smaller gear will move in anti-clockwise direction. To this we can add one more gear. For this we'll use the friction wheel. I'll use the straw here to put it like this and insert the third gear on top of it. Yes. Now here you have to be careful that if you are inserting the third gear in between, you cannot keep it in contact with both of them. Let's see what happens. So now here I have kept such that the teeth of all the three gears are interlocked with each other. So now if I try to move it, the motion will not be possible. So that's why if you are having more than two gears, you have to keep them such that one gear is in contact with only one other one, such that the motion is free. Now if I move this one, we can see the smaller gear is also revolving and so is the larger gear. Now let's push the larger gear and see. Oh no, this has come away. This is moving here. These are stuck in its place. So what I'll do is I'll take another bit and I'll fix the gear on top of this. So here I can put the straw and I'll fix the gear here. Now let's try again. Oh no, again one more problem here. The heights are not matching. I have one more idea. I can use the magnetos to increase the height. Let's do that. I'll keep this on top of this. So this is repelling. I'll have to use the blue side. Okay. Yes, now it's in its place. For this also, I'll use another one and fix it here. Now let's bring them together. Yes. Now this is done. Let's play with it. So now I can move the larger gear and all the three gears are moving with each other. Instead of using my hand, what if I use a motor? Let's do that also. So now I have the gear motor and the gears with me. How do we start? I need something to fix this motor in. I'll keep this aside for now and I'll use this bit as base. I'll fix this piece in to make the stand and I can fix the motor inside it. Okay, so now the motor is done. Where will I fix the gear? For that I'll use this blue piece and I can fix the gear in this. Yeah. Now to make this motor work, we need a power source. So I have the 3-volt power source here. We have to do the connection red to red, black to black. Make sure the switch is off in the beginning. Now for the other gear, I'll take another piece. Oh, I cannot keep this here, so I'll use this ring for it. I'll fix the ring and then keep this inside it. Now it is correct. And I'll keep the gear on top of this. It is free to move. Let's bring the gear near and interlock the teeth, and then we will switch on. So as you can see here, the motor is revolving the smaller gear, which in turn is passing on its motion to the larger gear. But I don't want to hold this. Well, let me do one thing. I'll make a stand for this also. To fix the gear in its place, we will make a stand. Let's keep this bit here. The other piece I'll fix it. And we'll keep this like this. And the gear we have to fix here. For that, I'll insert this here. And now you can adjust the height according to the requirement. Once the height adjustments are done, you can switch on and play. If you want, you can also change the gear, use different combinations, the smaller one and the larger one or medium one and larger one, whatever you want, you can explore.